Y'all probably wondering why I got one plus that camera plus the camera I'm filming with all hooked up. It's because of this right here. That's right. You know I got the Z right here. Well, I got another one right here too. So let's open it up. And today I want to see how long does it take to put together the Super73 ZX. Let's do it.
Infinit Ryda.
All right, so I got my knife right here. All right, it's hot in here, it's junky in here. I got too much stuff for the size of my garage, but we're gonna try to get this thing out the box. I heard it's extremely easy to put together. So we're gonna see how fast we can actually get this thing put together. It's got some staples in here, which I don't want on the floor, because I don't want to run over those with the bikes. All right. Let's re-angle the camera. Look at that right there. So let's see what we got. And it's not packaged too, well, maybe that's just, oh, that's just some. First off, let's see what we got here. So I did pick up the Super73 ZX. I'm giving the Z to Miss Ryda so we can ride together. It comes with 2 tools, instruction manual. I guess these are the pedals, which I'm planning on customizing this bike, so I'm gonna get some different pedals later. We got some other stuff that I probably shouldn't lose. Let me sit this over here on the desk. Then we got the rechargeable battery, which is right there, which on this model, the battery, you can actually take it out. This feels like most of the weight of the box. This battery got some weight on it. Let me sit that over here. Oh, there's something in here. I feel a box. Looks like that is the charger for the battery. So I'll sit that over there with the battery. We got these. Throw them on the floor. And then you got the bike in here. That's all that's left in here. So what I'm gonna do now is try to lift it up out the box, slide the box aside. It's not that heavy. It definitely got a little weight on it. Not as heavy as I thought it would be. So let me, yeah, I got my slides on. Let me get this box out the way. All right, so there it is. That is the ZX. So now what we're gonna do, look over the directions real quick and see how long it takes to assemble this thing. So let's see what we got. It says to open and blah, 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 blah. More blah, handlebar installation. Use the 5mm hex wrench to remove the bolts of the handlebar clamp. Once the clamp is open, place the bar in it, blah, 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 loosely tighten, cross tighten, blah, blah, blah. Install and tighten the pegs, blah, 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 and inflate the tire. So all I gotta do is handlebars and pegs. So should we start the timer now or should we start it after let's get everything open. First we open the tools. Then let's get all this extra stuff off the bike. I guess this here is for the handlebar clamp. Well, we got to either way to go, don't we? I'm gonna hold the handlebars while I'm slicing. There we go. All right, so we got that loose. I got a better tool I could be using, but I'm being stupid right now, in my opinion. Oh my God, I wish y'all could feel this. This thing feels so light, it feels like a little toy. Let me get the handlebars on here, then I'll take that off. I think, maybe, no? Is it gonna go like that? Or do I need to rotate it and do it like that? I got too many twists. To be fair, let's start the timer now and see how long it takes me to get this thing put together. All right, so let's snug that down.
Infinit Ryda.
I would say that's it for the most part. That had to be the easiest bike setup ever. It's still a little bubble wrap down there. And I gotta adjust the handlebars for how I want it. But let's take a look at the battery. All right, so this is one of the big pros about this bike is it has a removable battery. That's good for longevity, as well as if Super73 ends up selling replacements, you can throw one of these in your backpack while you're out riding, and then you get more range, which would be sweet. I hope they do sell spare batteries for this bike. So we got the battery, which is heavier than the bike in my opinion. Let's move this box. All right, so here's the battery right here, all wrapped up in plastic. Looks like the comes with something that's in here, I'm assuming. How the heck? It says key, so I guess there's a key in here, and I'm not bright enough to figure out how to open it, rip it apart, but I'm about ready to. Oh, that works too. Oh, all right, there. So there's some keys to put this thing on the bike. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually slide it on the bike so we can get the finished look. I'm gonna pull it outside, give y'all a little bit of B-roll of this old girl. And then, yeah, I can't really do much with it till I charge the battery. So we'll review it and give you my first impressions in the next video in this season or series. Can't believe how heavy that battery is. Okay, so it looks like the battery slides on right there. Feels like it's on. All right, let's take it outside. I hope y'all know I could not resist. I had to test it out. Then I'm gonna go put it on the charger. But this thing feels so much more comfortable than the Z, and it's definitely faster. Man, I'm gonna love this bike. But y'all gonna have to check me out in that next video where I'll go over the settings of this and some more features of this bike. And one of these videos I'm gonna compare it to the Z. But it's your boy Infinit Ryda signing out. Deuces. Oh, y'all can still see me.
Infinit